Asinivusele Maswati akithi kuto tonke tinkhalo telive lakangwane lo sanivusela-ke namhlanje ngoba tiyinsimbi yesikhombisa kuLisondvo kuyo inyanga yaJune 2025. Ngive lapho kaMamba Sibongo, the Black Mamba, nawuthandza-ke ungathi the original Black Mamba. Sewungawuhamba-ke umhlaba ucedze wehle wenyuka nawo. Angeke uyikhanze i-Black Mamba le njengalelo uhlala nayo njalo nasekushaye insimbi yesiphohlongo kulamanye amalanga, kodwa-ke kulamalanga lesikuwo siyibeke la ensimbini yesikhombisa la utawuhlala nami khona kuze kushaye yona insimbi yesiphohlongo. Sengisoke isikhathi sekusinitshele bogogo nabomkhulu emakhaya nibavusele nithi yabavusela i-Black Mamba. Ithi-ke sesikhathi sabo sekusale bangena khona la ehlelweni loluhamba embili kutepolitiki khona eveni lakangwane. I-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini leba khona njalo lapha eliphephandzabeni elihamba embili, Swaziland News. Liphephandzaba lokukhanya ukuthi tonke tindzaba tepolitiki telive nawufuna kutitfola kahle tingakahlutwa uyawutikhanza la ka-Swaziland News. Nginivusela-ke Maswati akithi emagumbini lamane emhlaba nakuto tonke tinkhalo telive. Noma siwubona umhlaba ucucungatela kubonakala ukuthi umhlaba ngathi ubheka phasi, timpi tiyavumbuka lena nalena. Kuyakhanya ukuthi siphile tinsukwini letimatima kakhulu. Sethemba-ke noko ukuthi labo lababuke wona umhlaba bayawenda tonke taba letikhona ukuthi umhlaba ubuyele ube nekuthula. Bantu labakhona emhlabeni baphilisane kahle njengoba lesimo setimbi letikhona la emhlabeni titasibangela bulukhuni. Nathi thina lesingekho kuleto timbi. Njengoba siyaye sibona nje ukuthi njalo nakunale timbi leti intengo yekudla iyakhuphuka, intengo yabogasolina iyakhuphuka. Sivile nje namhlathi iphalamende yaseveni lase-Iran lokuthi ebusuku namhla yahlaselwa live laseMelika kamatima ngekuchumane letinkulu kakhulu. Iphalamende yakhona-ke seyithethe isinqumo ethi ivale lapha Straits of Hormuz. La kukhanya khona ukuthi 20% wa-oyili emhlabeni wenga khona kuleso strait leso kuze ufike etimakethe temhlaba. Lokho kusho ukuthi Maswati akithi nakuvalwa leso strait leso, the Strait of Hormuz, utawuba na 80% kuphela wagasolina lotayelekile emhlabeni wonke jikelele. Lokho-ke kusho ukuthi intengo yagasolina itawubhekakala ukuthi ikhuphuke kakhulu. Yawube seke seyenda ukuthi kukhuphuke nentengo yekudla, kukhuphuke nentengo mabhasi, kukhuphuke nentengo yabodizili nayo yonke into lekhona ku-economy la emhlabeni. So simo-ke lesilikhuni lesifisa lokungathi Maswati akithi kungaba ngete kwaba ukuthi nje siyathandazelwa. Kube simo lokukhanya ukuthi labo labahola umhlaba basebenzisa ingqondo ngalokubhadlile. Uyekela lo mkhuba wekwandisa timbi letingaka khona emhlabeni. Sengena-ke la elihlelweni i-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini. Sivusela bona bogogo nabomkhulu emakhaya, siphinde siyagcizelela ukuthi inkulumo yethu solo ime njalo bogogo nabomkhulu kokuthi lelive lelisha lelitako lapha kangwane liyawuhambisana nedemocracy, liyawunilethela bogogo nabomkhulu imali enga-2,000 emalangeni leniyawihola. Imali leyo leningayuze niyihole ngaphasi kwetinkundla noma-ke ngembuso ngaphasi kwembuso wetinkundla. Nawe nawungathi uyatibalela namuhla ungabona ukuthi njalo emva kweminyaka lengu-6 nikhushulelwa nga-100 emalangeni. Kuyawufika nini-ke isikhathi lapho khona niyawuhola lo 2,000 emalangeni lesikhuluma ngaye la. Sinetinhlelo-ke Maswati akithi leticinile letisobala libonakalisako ukuthi le mali esikhuluma ngayo la ingaphuma esikhwameni salo lona live lokuthi nikhone kuyihola lapho emakhaya. Siyanivusela-ke sethemba ukuthi nilethamele lona lihlelo. Niyawuthi-ke ningangena bese nithinza lona likinobho. Inobho-ke i-share button ekuhambisa nekushelelisa tona inkulumo la kuze tonke Maswati emagumbini lamane emhlaba angakhona ukuthi atilalele letingxoxo lesitawube singato namuhla. Sihloko sethu-ke Maswati akithi sibhlungu kakhulu namhla lapha sitabe sibuka indzaba lejulile. Sihloko sethu sithi the blood of our children, a call for justice. Sithi-ke lesihloko ingadi yebantfwa bethu. Ingadi yebantfwa bethu sihlaba umkhosi ukuthi kube nebulungiswa eveni. Sidabe siyibuka ke eMaswati kabanti lendzaba lena kokuthi njengoba sibonile lapha seva nasemaphephandzabeni nasetigungwini tetindzaba lokhulumela emaphoyisa achaza ukuthi indzaba yekubulawa kwabo kwebantfwana la kukhanya ukuthi kuvelile tinsukwini letengcile eveni. Amaphoyisa ngathi asatakudzebesela lokho wakuyekelele ayekele kubafuna labantu lababulele abantwana la eveni ngoba ngekubuka kwawo labantu laba Maswati ngekusho kwemaphoyisa an official institution of state labantu laba babulewe ngumuntu longaphile engcondvweni. Uyatibuta-ke ukuthi lo muntu ongaphile engcondvweni wabonwa ngubani abulala labantu laba. Lo muntu ongaphile engcondvweni abeyithathaphi le moto abehlenyuka ngayo lonke lelive asonza labantu babo. Lo muntu ongaphili la engcondvweni sathi kokuthi kuthiwa kwakhanzakala umfana munye dismembered lo mfana wale eHosia, may her soul rest in peace. Kuthiwa nguye lo watholakala ekhaya khabo lo mfana lokuthiwa akaphile engcondvweni. Kodwa abantwana labafile la eveni nasibuka le data akusiyo umfana munye. Emaphoyisa sekathi onajaka kovala luphenyo ngendzaba yokuthi kuthiwa lo muntu longaphili kahle enhloko. Tibe kodwa lama cases angaka lona longaphili kahle enhloko lo attributed to yena munye. Kodwa sekuthiwa kuyavalwa angeke kusachutshekwa nekuphenya hayi khona Maswati. Sithe-ke asesiyikhulumise lendzaba siyibukede ngeliso cishe lelijulile ukuze kuthi eMaswati ngoba la ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini luhlelo lolu lokuthi sikhulumise indzaba tepolitiki yelive sitibuke ngalokujulile. Kude-ke indzaba la ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini lesiyesabako kuyikhulumisa nalesiyidzebeselako nalesiyithalaliselako sitikhulumisa tonke tindzaba tinjalo njengokutibona kwethu. Sizatfu sokuthi sithi lolu hlelo lunema perspectives sikhulumela lokuthi nani lapha emakhaya nendlela yenu lenibuka ngayo tinto. Ngihlale ngisho ukuthi ema perspectives ethu la lihlelweni ngete kwaba ama perspectives la nijabulisako noma ke lendelwe ukuthi nijabule nina. Ude umuntu lesisuke sifuna kumenabukelisa nasikhuluma la. Suke sikhuluma indzaba ngendlela lesitibona ngayo, ngendlela lesiti-analyze satikhanza tingayo. Ngendeka-ke ukuthi le ndlela lesibuka ngayo ihlukile kunale yakho. Ngendeka futhi ukuthi le ndlela lesibuka ngayo akusiyo lengiyona iliciniso kunato tonke indlela mhlawumbe letikhona. Asisho ukuthi indlela lesibuka ngayo la ngiyona alpha and omega. Cha, we are offering our own perspective. We try as much as we can to buttress our arguments on research, on our philosophical outlook, on our values, naletinye tintfo lesikholelwa kuto thine la ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini. Ngakho-ke nalendzaba lena sifuna-ke ukuthi siyibuke eMaswati sende lathi nani nisayibuke emakhaya niyifakele emafalkiki ngalokujulile. Umbuto lomkhulu uyawuthi badliwa yini labantwana eveni? Kungasibo bona bodwa abantwana. Basonvelwa nje bantfu jikelele kulelive. Ngoba kuyabonakala Maswati ukuthi kunemkhuba lomubi la eveni wekusonza abantu. Kunemajabhani la khona eveni. Umbuto-ke wethu utawuthi bobani lamajabhani? Siyati-ke lokho ukuthi bayebani basolele ngala basolele nangala. Kodwa liciniso lithi kude mbambamba lo sati ngalokugcwele ukuthi lamajabhane bobani. Ngoba lamajabhane ungakhanza athi kusolwa lapha lamanye awuzivuka nawo lamakhaya lamajabhane. So-ke sitawukhulumisa-ke leyo ndzaba leyo Maswati akithi kulahleka kwebantfwana nekugunywa kwabo la eveni. Labantwana bathi bangalahleka bathi bangatholakala labo labatholakele batholakala sebagunyiwe banqunyiwe bakhishwe titfo temtimba. Kungaba lulwimi, kungaba sibinzi, kungaba sitfo sangasese naloko. Uyabona ukuthi kuyagangwa very egregious crimes lawa lendekako. Yinto-ke lembi le Maswati lesitayekhuta kodwa lesitayebuka ngalokugcwele namhla la. Sethemba ukuthi kutawuthi kuphela hour siyawube sikhulumise tonke ke leti ndzaba lengikhuluma ngato. Ngifuna ke kucala ngendzaba Maswati lebhlungu lengiyona ikhungethe i-Mass Democratic Movement neLive lonke kulamalanga la. Timbili empeleni tindzaba lengifuna kutikhulumisa njengenhlala yenta singachubekeli kukulokuni. Yekucala indzaba yalobeka ngumhlonishwa umnumzane Mthandeni Dube. Lokuthe sibona namhla lapha njengoba bekune Correctional Services Day ngaleSihlanu. Sabona imitamo lapho khona kukhanya ukuthi kuvakala ukuthi abecolisa enkosini afisela nenkosi lunwele loluthe. Kube seke sekusuka umsindo lomkhulu lapha kuma social media platforms ukuthi ngabe lokhu ke kusho ukuthini. Bantu ke ba-offerisha imibono yabo ngekuhlukahlukana kwabo njengoba kuselungelweni labo bantu ukuthi bakwende lokho. Ngifuna ke ukukhuthata lokho seMaswati abokwetayela lokho lokuthi nangabe kune issue bantu bakhululekile kuveta imivo yabo ukuthi bacabangani ngale issue. Bangete bavumelana ngayo le ndlela labacabanga ngayo lendzaba lokukhulunywa ngayo. Kodwa kulungelo labo kuyilobola nekuyikhulumisa ngendlela labafuna kuyikhulumisa ngayo. Ngani nabangethuki umuntu, ngani nabangalwi, ngani futhi nabangenti ngendlela letawenda ukuthi kube khona kucabana naloko naloko. Ngiko lo lesithi freedom of expression leyo. It comes with a responsibility. You can argue your arguments around this issue without kwetfuka labanye bantu, without ukucabanga ukuthi umvo wakho is final, without ukucabanga ukuthi lokushiwo nguwe ngona lekufanele kulalo lonke cha. Ngako nomasipala kuma timelines ethu ngoba kungaleso zathu nawe uneyakhe timeline ka Facebook nalo unayo lenye ka Twitter unayo lenye yakho. It's your timeline. You write what you want on your timeline. So uma abeke umuntu evangathi lokhu lokubhalako wena kahambisani na akaku-engage phela ngendlela le fair le clear ngoba that's what the social media space is about. It's a contestation of ideas, open expression. So la malungelo lesiwafunako lembili Maswati kufuna siwatayele njengoba sibona nje la ngihlale ngibekisa ngisibuka nje la South Africa ukuthi democracy yakhona irobust kanganani. People engage, but it doesn't mean ukuthi because you engage sekufanele netfukane ningene niphakamiselane tinhlamba nayo yonke lento le. Wonke umuntu indzaba uyibuka ngendlela letsite. Njengoba nami nje tami tindzaba nangitikhuluma ngitibuka ngendlela letsite. Ngifuna ekucala ke kulendzaba yena le ya Mthandeni Dube ngisho Maswati lokuthi Mthandeni Dube is a political prisoner. Mthandeni Dube akehluki kubacede mabuzo. Mthandeni Dube akehluki kuSigwili Vilakazi. Mthandeni Dube akehluki kuNcamiso Mabuyakhulu. Mthandeni Dube akehluki kuMuzi Mnisi. Mthandeni Dube akahluki kuThabo Vulindlela Kunene. Mthandeni Dube akahluki kuGerman Dlamini. Mthandeni Dube is a political prisoner. Mthandeni Dube is a victim of the 1973 decree. Onke lama political prisoners lengwabalako nalamanye lengakawabiti la bonke labantu laba they are honest, they are innocent victims of the King's decree of 1973. That is the starting point. Ngilapho la kufanele sicale khona Maswati kuthi Mthandeni Dube akukafaneli nakancane ukuthi ngabe usejele. Akukafanele. He is in jail when he's not supposed to be in jail. This is the issue lekufanele kuthi ibe of primary focus to us. So what am I saying here? I am saying ukuthi kulele sengikubonile so far engathi eMaswati akaconzi kahle lokuthi Mthandeni Dube is not the problem. Is not the problem. The problem is the institution and the person that he is now begging to release him. That is the problem. So the problem is King Mswati III, the man who engineered his imprisonment. The problem is the 1973 decree, the decree that bantu labanjengabo Mthandeni Dube didn't understand when they called for an elected prime minister. And I'm going to explain this. Ngoba lolu hlelo lolu letepolitiki futhi ke mina ngingitishela kufuna ukuthi nginifundzise ngendlela le ndawo uva ngayo. Nangithi boMthandeni Dube nabo Magawugawu nabo Bacede misunderstood the 1973 decree. Ngitachaza ukuthi kusukela kuphi lokho. The moment they started calling for an elected prime minister, they were doing exactly what the political parties have been doing for the longest of time. That is why if you look at our history, you can see ukuthi bantu bebafakwe esitokisini, bo Amos Mbeki, bo Sipho Jele, bo Musa Ngubane, Ngubeni, nalabanye. Bekungemalunga ema-political parties. Kuphela kokuthi bona bebathi unbenwe ema-political parties awucishwe lo mthetho wanga-1973. Athamukakela ama-MPs wona ayaguqulela le script athi haye eMaswati akakhethile Ndvunankhulu. But le nto lena is almost the same. Kuphela nje ngiloko ukuthi labahlonishwa bona bebakubuka ukuthi kutawendiwa lokho ngaphasi kwale system yetinkundla ye-individual merit. Bakhohlwa ukuthi tinkundla is ruled by the king, umbuso wenkosi. So mawuthi wena abantu basale bakhetha Ndvunankhulu usho ukuthi inkosi asale ingabusi. That is practically what you are saying. And in terms of tinkundla, that is treason. That is why ke boBacede nabomthandeni bakhanza basejele namuhla. But they are innocent. They have done no wrong. And our focus must be not on them. Our focus must be on the problem. The problem is the 1973 decree that continues to dehumanize us, subject us to third-class citizens in our own country, and elevate the royal family as the alpha and omega of our country. This is the problem. So masibiyele emuva Maswati, siyakhanza lokuthi abe ngaqali nanana ngabo lenzaba ye-elected prime minister. The first person in known historical history in terms of the Hansard and the historical record to talk about this issue inside parliament was a man called Phila Buthelezi, njengoba nathi. Phila Buthelezi on the 26th of July 2017 started this conversation. And why did he start it? Because he was frustrated ngokuthi uhulumende akakho imigwaqo, uhulumende eveni live libheke phasi eMaswati akaserviseki. Wathi kungcono sale eMaswati athikhethela Ndvunankhulu. This is Phila Buthelezi. At the time, he was the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee eParliament. Kodwa naye Phila Buthelezi abengatisuseli lokuthi kungcono lo Ndvunankhulu salakhethwa sive. Abengatisuseli. Abekususela eMaswatini nga-2012 Maswati. Kwaba nesibaya lesikhulu eSwatini kaNgwane. Lesibaya lesi salandzela sitelega lesikhulu kwakuthiwa ngiwaya sematishela. Kuleso sibaya leso kwathathwa isinqumo kuma democratic movement ukuthi akuyiwe esibayeni kuyokhulunywa. Ngihlale ngisho ke lapha ukuthi kunanaki lokuthiwa i-revisionism. Lenve ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi itinto ngoba setentiwa nguwe atizange tendiwe ngayidolo. kungako nga-2023 Mswati nakabita Sibaya labanye bethu bebathi anisukuye esibayeni ngoba siyathi ukuthi sibuya khona kunetinto lesike sadisho lapha esibayeni tanganakwa including na indzaba nayi yekuthi Mvunankulu asala khetfwa Maswati kwasho thine lesibayeni deputy president wePhudemo lo deputy president today Wandile Dlulu abelesibayeni nalamanye ama-leaders e-Mass Democratic Movement at the time Bosimangele Mema and other leaders following a meeting lebeyilapha eGeorge Hotel lapho khona baconvinswa nguMoses Motsa ukuthi abaye esibayeni. I was one of those people who were against this, hence I didn't go mina lesibayeni, but baya labanye baholi convinced ukuthi mhlawumbe khona lestakuthola nasingathoba siye lesibayeni. Yafika yakhulunywa khona ke indzaba ethi asalelo Mvunankulu akhethwa sive. I-constitution yelive ithi Isibaya is the highest policy making platform yelive, but for the reasons lesihlale siwachaza la leyo conversation leyo ayizange ingene kuma-minutes, ayizange inakwe muntu yathathwa yafakwa lapha emdustbinini lide yakhulunywa lapha esibayeni. So phila nga-2017 nakakhuluma indzaba ekukhetha Mvunankulu uyisusela kule mivo yesibaya beyishiwo lesibayeni. Ningive kahle Maswati, this is the historical record. So it's not a novel thing ukuthi kuchamuke sekuchamuka bacede sekuchamuka emthandeni namagawugawu sebathi akukhethwe Mvunankulu. No, it's not new. It has a history, and this history is the history that I've just explained. Kwaphuma Mvunankulu ngaleso sikhathi bekusesengibhanabasi nakaceda kusho phila kwekuthi eMaswati akakhethile Mvunankulu wakhipha statement Barnabas Dlamini lesimkhutako lesithi 1 lenvo yakhe ukuthi eMaswati akakhethe Mvunankulu is an inflammatory statement that is disturbing the peace. Number 2, he said it undermines Sibaya and the constitution of the country that vest powers in the king. Number 3, he said it shakes the foundations and pillars of the monarch. That has been the basis of political rule and governance in Swaziland since time immemorial. Ngilapho la kakhuluma khona ngekuthi ubukhosi bakangwane is more than 3 centuries old. This is what he said. Kini nile leningawadi umlando noma ke leningawulandzeli. Sasikhona ke thina we recording these things and noting them and writing reports about them. Hence we know them. So what am I trying to say? I am trying to say ukuthi Mthandeni is a victim. Perhaps he's a victim of his own naivety with the other MPs of not understanding the calibration of our politics. So what is happening here kule issue ya Mthandeni? And I'm not going to go into the discussion about is he right or is he wrong. What I'm going to say is that he is a victim. And I want to say what you are seeing happening to him. 1 is a demonstration by the regime. Anyone who dares challenge us must kiss the ass of the throne in order to be forgiven. But it also shows us I mean, it also shows us that the country is a one-man fiefdom. That is what it tells us. The third thing that it demonstrates to us is that the counter-revolution is ongoing. The regime in full force is sanitizing itself. Bayatigeza batigeza ngale ngati yabothulani Maseko nani seningenela khathi niyabavumela. It is therefore tragic Maswati na ubona le discourse lekhona ku social media yebantu who find it convenient ukuthi sonke isikhathi they get an opportunity to blast the leaders of the mass democratic movement. These very same people never get an opportunity to blast Mswati. These very same people never get an opportunity to blast the 1973 decree. They are always blaming us. They are always pointing at us, painting us with a black brush. Divided thine, sendele pass MPs, sendele pass political prisoners, forgetting how a counter-revolution works. We are in a counter-revolution. The state has planted agents amongst us to divide us. The issue El-Keto, for example, was one part of the counter-revolution, to divide us. So if we are divided because it is a program to divide us. And now the narrative in the public domain, we are born how politically underdeveloped our people are in analysis. And I'm here to assist for us to rise above all that mediocrity and think with clarity. Sicabange ngendlela Maswata kithi lejulile nasibuka letinto. Now, Prince Simelane is no hero. Asilo lichawe Simelane. Kuthi kuhambe Simelane wayoguqa embi kwemnakabo bese sithi buchawe lobo just because isifuna emthandeni aphume. Maswati, this exceptionalism is nonsense. We must stop it. Kude buchawe lobukhona kuPrince Simelane. Prince Simelane is part of the reason why Mthandeni is in jail in the first place. He is part of the establishment. He is part of the problem. He is the problem together with his brother. Lokuthi bete betona ngasibancengana lambikweni bayiplanile lento leningekho ni. Kudlalwa ngalamehlo enu. Ndocabanga ukuthi sebasicabangela kenyalo naku nje bakamncengela sekugezwa lenga kucatshanga ukuthi Mswati tawugezeka lengadi yale tandla tabomsimisi Mkhwanazi lela tandleni takhe. Kucatshanga ukuthi utawusanitize sigcine simthanza sigcina sikhohlwa. Maswati, the problem here is not us. The problem here is a despot king that has killed our people. We will not forget that in 2021, Mswati commanded the armed forces to kill our people. Bana Skalo was flying the helicopter that was butchering our people, pushing them into the fire at Brewery, shooting them from the skies and killing them. We will not forget this. Noma bangaya kuma-communities bayodonate babuye babambe tinkonzo bazame kusibona umuntu uyanikwa i-second chance. We can see through all that gimmick. We are not fools. So Prince Simelane is part of the problem. He is the Minister of Justice. Bobaqede bak solitary confinement uyati Prince Simelane. He is no hero. Maswat, I want you to understand this. He is no hero. He is part of the problem. All what is happening here is a process of trying to clean the image ya Mswati. Kuze kuthi nakafa afe Mswati sesimkhohliwe sesimthanza ukuthi nguye lo wabulala eMaswati, nguye futhi lo lobulala na umphikisa. Nyalo sewentwa ngathi angel in our eyes. Hey vele sesiyabonga waphakathi, we must kiss his ass. eBhayibhelini ke kwakunemadvodza lamathathu. Little Bible wathi Nebuchadnezzar nasekababitile kokuthi abete batoguqa embi kwesithixo sakhe segolide, because of their values, because of their firmness in believing in God, bala kuguqa kulesithixo. Akusho ke lokho Maswati ukuthi wonke umuntu utakwala kuguqa kulesithixo. Sisahamba kule ndlela le kutawuba khona labaguqako kulesithixo. Umsebenzi wethu uthini lesihola lomzabalazo ukuthi sichubeke sihambe le ndlela size siyofika lela siya khona la kufanele sifike khona. Kukhona labatawuphela emandla endleleni bakhathale baguqe kulesithixo. Kukhona labatawufa kusahanjwa bangafiki lela kuyiwa khona. Kodwa iqiniso lithi labo labasenemandla, labo labasayibona indlela, kufuna baqhubeke bahambe njalo kuze kuyofikwa la kuyiwa khona. Lengikusho ke Maswati lo mzabalazo lo mkhulu uyesinza. angeke ke mina ngihlale la ngikhulume ngendzaba yokuthi hayi Mthandeni befanele vele kulukhuni ejele. Hey, nangabe kulukhuni ejele kulukhuni nakubaqede ejele. Nabe kulukhuni ejele na commando yabuva lobo kukhulu. Mangabe kulukhuni ebudzingisweni magawugawu uyabuva bulukhuni bakuba sebudzingisweni. Namandla Hlatshwayo uyabuva. Namlungisi Makhanya uyabuva. Buhlungu bendlela lokho. Kodwa uma ngabe khona lo sathi yena no mina emajaha imandla sangiphelele sengiyaguqa kulesithixo noma sengibiyela emva eGibhithe ulungile phela buyele emva. Kodwa ngeke bese sesicitha isikhathi sethu kuloko thine kukahle noma kukabi bantu bakhe banabani bonke labantu abasejele bonke labantu abasebudzingisweni they are in a similar situation. So what I want to end with on this matter kwekuthi the struggle lo mzabalazo lesikuwo mkhulu, it's a noble cause, it is a labor of love, it is a sacrifice, it requires selflessness, it is based on values, it is based on freedom, it is based on liberty, it is based on a self-determination. And those of us who are convinced that these are values we must stay or these are values we must be prepared to die for, then so be it. If kukhona labasishiya endleleni sahamba, hayi abahambe labahambako sosala siyinceke, that is our attitude. Ngifuna ke Maswati bese sengikhulumisa kafishane indzaba yesibili. Ngokuthi noma ke ngingakangeni kuyo ngichaze lokuthi in the end victory for the revolution is guaranteed, victory for the people is assured, and victory is certain. Those who fall along the way, we thank them for the role they have played in the past. But if they convert to kiss the ass of the throne, we will not thank them for that. We'll merely understand them. Akusibo bona bodwa banengi la kulo mzabalazo. Bantu labanengi basukuma nga-2021 bacabangise kuyaphela ngetinkundla. Bacansi batawutfola ama-benefits latsite. Bangathi sindlela isetawuhanjwa sibili. Kusetawusentshetwa. Sisho njalo-ke namhla nathi la sithi kusetawusentshetwa Maswati kithi. Kusetawuhanjwa. Ngakho-ke nabe bowutitshele ukuthi uyachansa vele utawusala endleleni. Lona abanengi labase niyabati ngeke ngibabite ngemagama. Labanye sebathatha bo-sabbatical leave. Labanye sebaba bafundisi. Labanye sebaba ngilokwa nolokwa. People give up along the way. So we are not going to wallow in exceptionalism just because isikhuluma ngaMthandeni. He is not special. If he has decided ukuthi he needs to get out of prison through Kuncenga Mswati, yes, that is what he has decided and it's his right to do it. He is entitled to it. We can't stop him. The struggle lesikuso lesi sifana nekukholwa. Uma umuntu asawile ekukholweni ngeke umende lutho, sowuwile nje ekukholweni. Uhlulwe inkinga temhlaba. Kodwa labo labakholwako kufuna ukuthi bambambe ngesandla nabakhona kumvusa bamvusa. Uma ngasavuseki babone ukuthi akasavuseki bamyekele. Injalo nje Maswati. Thine, what we are clear about is we have no time to kiss the ass of the throne. We have no time to kiss Mswati's ass. We know his sins, and these sins are not only about 2021. They date way before 2021. We know them. We know how he didn't allow for Mzikayise and Ntshangase to be buried for almost 5 years. I was there when Mzikayise was buried. I saw his emaciated black corpse from the box lapha nasiyomngcwaba ultimately Mkwakwela. The dehumanizing nature of this regime, we know it. Emacala ale regime le, we have lived through them, we have seen them with our eyes. So we know what we are fighting for here. Asicali namhla kuba khona la, asicali namhla kubona kusikwendekani, asigcini namhla kunitshela ukuthi leli vele litawukhululela. Kwesibili ke ngifuna ukukhulumisa naye indzaba kafishane lesibona yenziwa iTimes yekuzama kuvimbela abantu lapha even lase Ireland ukuthi bathole asylum. ndaba mfishane nje kwekucala lokufuna sikwende nalesitawukwenda ngalokukhulu ukuphuthuma Maswati kwekuthi we will have to write to the International Protection Office and the appeals body in Ireland and alert them that kude liphephandzaba leliphilako leselikhona eSwatini nyalo lonke emaphephandzaba lasakhona lokufaka ikhathi Times akusiwe emaphephandzaba lakhipha indzaba letiphilile naletifavor eMaswati. We need to make them aware so that labantu laba bangachubeki nekurana ema-narratives lavimbela eMaswati. Maswati anelungelo lekuthi nakahlupheka even lakangwane ahambe aye kunoma ngangiliphi live la emhlabeni ayoncenga kuhlaliswa kulawo mave lawo. Kude longathi kuseMaswati ayabulawa kangwane ikakhulu nakakhuluma ipolitiki. Ngakho-ke sitawakhulumela laMaswati, sitayibhalela i-International Protection Office formally and inform them of the changed media landscape in Swaziland so that when they make their decisions on asylum applications by Swazis, they are well informed about what the Times is trying to do. So we are going to do this, Maswati kithi, kuze ndokhona kusitakala nonke nine leni lapha e-Ireland ngikhuluma ngani in particular, but we will do this also to other countries as well, kuze kwateke ukuthi Times of Swaziland is no longer liphepha lelingaba credible nalelingathenjwa. Lokunye ke lesifuna kusho ngokuthi thina singeMaswati kufuneka we must not buy the Times. We must mount a campaign against the Times, not buy it, and make sure ukuthi leli phepha siyali-suffocate. That's the best thing that we can do. Phepha la Shakhantu must be suffocated and denied of our money. Siyabona nekuthi nyalo sebalifake na paywall lapha kubo press reader nalamanye ma-online platforms. Don't subscribe. Don't buy the Times. Don't buy the Times of Swaziland. Read your news from Swaziland News. Read your news from Swaziland Democratic News. Read your news from the Vanguard and other independent, credible sources online. That's what we must do. We have the power to stifle the Times of Swaziland and deny it of the financial power that it is using to spread malicious information about the struggle and also about the people. Bekukuthe ke Maswati but ngidawuzama kufinyeta lana ngoba nga7 nga8 funa sicedze lihle. Ingomba ke Maswati tithi kusukela ngaJanuary kuta kuMay 2025 kunebantwana labang83 labalahlekile kulelive. 59 wabo base batholakala baphila. 9 wabo batholakala bafile. Bese 15 wabo losikhuluma nyalo solabadiwa tsibakuphi. These are the current statistics according to the research that I have run, checking police records and all that. And this is just between January to May 2025 only. Now ubuke emuva ema projections ati at least no less than 6 people are murdered for ritual purposes every year in Swaziland. It's a report that number doubles nakwi electoral cycle and setawufika nalapho. But nasibuka I vulnerability assessment committee survey yanga 2022 sikhanza kwekuthi simo sebantwana eveni lakangwane vele si untenable noma ke sisimo lesilikhulu kakhulu la kuthiwa khona abantwana ba vulnerable to extreme violence, exploitation, neglect and forced disappearance. Yinto leyendekako eveni lakangwane. Sitibuta ke kwekuthi njengoba ngichaza ukuthi kuna 15 wabantwana basolo bangatfolakali kulo 83 bekalahlekile kwatfolakala 59, 9 wabo batfolakala sebafile baxuyiwe. Lo 15 lesola ngatfolakali namhla ukuphi. Ngeke ngakhuluma before ngathi kunadzadze lapha eNkwene le umfana wakhe nanamhlanje lokude lo wade uthi washonaphi. Nyalo sive emaphoyisa athi hayi sekutawuyekela kuseshwa ngoba lo muntu njengoba besengishito lo solakala kungathi ingqondo yakhe ayiphili kahle. Afihlane emaphoyisa. Afihlane emaphoyisa. Ngoba njengoba sengichazile lo muntu okuthiwa ingqondo yakhe akaphili kahle is associated only with one case of lo umfana lo file. There are 15 missing children. There are 9 deceased children so far. So why close the case? Why come to the public to justify ukuthi senitawuvala kufuna nini ngoba labantu kusolakala ngathi abaphili kahle engqondweni? Yena lo longaphili kahle engqondweni uphi? Live lincane kangaka sola nimfoli kwende njani? Uma ngaba ngaphili engqondweni, angabaleka kanjani eveni aphumele ngaphandle eSouth Africa ngoba phela kaphili engqondweni? Luhlanya umuntu ongaphili engqondweni umkhanza ayaluka la ngqunu noma ayaluka hamba khuluma yedwa yonke lenzayo. Lona sola kabanjwe una. These are the questions, Maswati, that we must ask. Kwesibili, Maswati, sikhule thine and semfuna kuthatha nje some kind of historical snapshot going backwards. Sikhule thine kuthiwa kuna Sis Joyce. Kuthiwa Sis Joyce uhamba ngemoto lebovu. Nakungasi imoto lebovu ikhumbi. Ligama belithi Sis Joyce uyasonzana. Sis Joyce uthatha abantwana la emakhaya abasonze. Lenvo lena nasengibuka emuva sengiyakhumbula ukuthi hayi man. Shokuthi yinzala leni bekulahleka kwebantu kuleli vele manje solwa inakeke. Ngoba sikhule vele kuthiwa kuna Sis Joyce. Ngiyethemba nani niyamkhumbula nangabe nikuma 80s 90s niyamati Sis Joyce. Washonaphi Sis Joyce? Kwakungibani Sis Joyce? Lodla banibani. These are the questions. Ngoba namhla sebuthe mefu uyaqalela phansi lo mkhuba and it's becoming worse. Kudliwa abantwana, kudliwa ingadi yemaswati. Sithi isihloko sami namhla the blood of our children. And ikubonakala nangenda le research la, all the platforms that I have read, the sources of information akhala nganvoyinye. Kwekuthi there is underreporting and there are data gaps around kulahleka kwebantu kuleli nekulahleka kwebantwana in particular. Why do we have such data gaps? Balahleka labantwana lamakhaya babikwe emaphoyiseni but kune data gap. Kude a portal le central le aggregator ngoba bengithi ngizama ukuchecka from the past 15 years ukuthi bafaka kanganani banithi ngidawuthola i-database le very concrete using police reports and all that. There's no such data. Why is this thing being hidden? Why are these deaths and kidnappings and mutilations of our people being hidden? Sendlule emaswati endzabeni ya Sis Joyce bese singena endzabeni yelukhetho. Bekunemkhuba la wethi njalo nakudala ikhetho balahleka kakhulu labantu. Bese kuthiwa hawu ngilala abantu labakhankasako bafa khona labantu. Inkukhu namhla iyawusola umbila. Yonke leminyaka le nakulahleka labantu ngesikhathi selikhetho vele labantu bebasondwa ngilama MPs. Lembuto lena lefanele ethi sitibute yona namhla la ehlelweni. Sika visionary perspectives eSwatini ke maswati akithi nikhumbule kuthinza lona likinobho lekuhambisa nekushelelisa inkulumo la. Nihleli ke ne Black Mamba navelapho ka Mamba the one and only original Black Mamba. So ngesikhathi selikhetho letinombolo kuya escalate. Umbuto uthi di escalator ngoba labo MP noma abantu labafuna kuba bo MP bangcolile noma khona lithabela ngodi lelikhona. Kukhona lidunga live kwasho lenye indvodza. Ngibani lelizimu lelidlala amaswati. Umbuto wanamhla usho njalo. Ngibani lelizimu lelidlala amaswati. Sendlule emaswati akithi sibuke bantwana labalahleka nakuyiwa emhlangeni noma kuthiwa kuyiwe encwaleni. Even though lama incidents sometimes are underreported, but siyayisive kuthi kukhona umfana lofile emhlangeni, kukhona umfana kuthiwe hush tidumbu tabo biselwe emakhaya noma bangcwatshwa kuthiwa amabhokisi abakavulwa. Umndeni awuvunyelwa kuthi uvule lelibhokisi ubuke ukuthi mfana nzini udliwe yini le kangwane labuye khona. We've seen this with our eyes. Bangcwabe bantu la emakhaya tidumbu tebantu babo labangakatigezi, labangakativalelisi. Kufika i-order lethi mngcwabeni kanjalo nalibhokisa le, noma bangcwaba yena, noma bangcwaba umdliwa, noma bangcwaba imfene bathi kwenteka kuleli velele. Kuphuma i-order lethi le lalimele khona lo mfana kuthiwe ningalivuli libhokisi. This is the pain of our people, the blood of our children. Sendlule eMaswati akithi nasibiyele emuva sikhanza indzaba yaDavid Simelane abephinza tibite ngekwakamhlanga. Sikhanza kubulawa abantu la cishe 45 webantu nangikhumbula kahle, women and children, mainly women and children. Mabamgweba David Simelane bamgwebela 28 of those women, but siyathi kwafa 45, between 45 to 49 women and children. Bongani Vilakazi wabulala 6 webantu, serial killer, 6 webantu wababulala naye, wabanquma, raped them, mutilated them. Vusi Dlamini, yenye igama lakhe ngFinius, 8 women killed, raped, mutilated. Bonke labantu laba basejele, but asiva ngokuthi mbamba maba mutilate labantu basonza labantwana bebasebenta nabani the judicial system convicts these people, but it doesn't get to the actual truth. David Simelane siyeva ngokuthi abehamba ngemoto, kuthi umuntu ongabulala 45 webantu asebenta yedwa livele lincane kangaka. David Simelane abahamba ngemoto abethembisa labomake umsebenzi, akhona ngisho nekubanika imali tekugibela bayommitha, abadizela abafaka emahhotela abaphekudla ema-restaurant lasembili. Bosamantha, a university student who had studied law, may her soul rest in peace, babulawa nguDavid Simelane. Umbuto othi abesebenza nabani David Simelane? These are the questions we must ask, because David Simelane clearly had a well-coordinated operation. Kude kulama records asenkantolo lengiwafundzile mina, umbuto lophendvulwako ukuthi David Simelane lama body parts alabantu ngoba labanye bebatholakala ba mutilated abewasaphi. Kunenvo ledla abantu kulelive Maswati akithi. Kunamake mbamali elenombamali abe-MP walahleka lo make lo, indvodza yakhe yaze yafa nebantwana, ne-estate yakhe ize yavalwa recently in the past couple of years ngekuthi akwatiwa ukuthi wagcina adliwe yini lo make. Wasonva lo make nangicabanga wanyamalala wafa. Yini Maswati leledla abantu la kulelive? It's interesting ngokuthi kunemuntu laveni lobitwa ngandla amadoda. Maybe we need to start paying attention, Maswati. Lo mnye wakwatibita la wakubita ngangogoza abantu. Wamthatha ndla amadoda wambuyisa la celeni kwakhe. Advisor wakhe namuhla. Maybe we need to start paying attention, Maswati akithi. Sendlule Maswati sengidawuphetha. Sibuke cultural beliefs, norms, ne value system yebantu thite kulelive. Leliveleli kunebantu abakholelwa kuma supernatural mystic powers, evil spirits. Kunebantu labafuya tigubhu la kulelive. Incumbi yabo bathi babafundisi. Hey, vuka ngalabantu labo. Ukhanza umuntu ashaya itimbulambula phelele ngelisonto athi ungumfundisi kodwa unendumba la ekhaya ungumthakathi. Unendumba yekuganga abantu kukodwa lokuthi unendumbu yelapha kwemukeleka lokho even in our African religions siyakwemukela. But la kunetinyanga mthakathi letigqoka timbulambula tibe netindumba letanyalo ke lesetikhona setifaka nemasudu. Umvumi bakubita ngempolofita, akupolofite konke wethala unesigubhu. Utshelwa ngilesigubhu lento betindvo lakutshela to. Ngito ke letinvo leti ma drivers of ritual murders in the country and ritual killings. Ngiyaye ngitibude mina ukuthi excuse me, eMaswati le population yethu solo ngaba khona kuthiwa sing 1.2 million. Solo ngatalwa kuthiwa sing 1.2 million. Solo nje ngavuleke emehlweni. Ayikhulu population yakangwane. Solo ema ku 1.2 million. Noma ungafunza yiphi i-census report noma singente ama-census langanani nayiphela sing 1.2 million. Badliwa yini labantu lelive? Sendlule eMaswati lapho sibuka kuganga webantu labakholelwa emthini. Ngeke ngabhala la ngathi kunemfana lo wabulawa nga-1949. Na ufuna kuyati kahle lenzaba le researcher indzaba yaSolinye eDlamini. Na uyakuswazilini noma ke kuma court records nguRex versus Mahlabindaba Dlamini. Rex versus Mahlabindaba Dlamini, that's the case. It's the case yaSolinye. Solinye kuthiwa kwasolakala kuthi ubulewe ngoba kunemfana lo watholakala file aquyiwe titfo temtimba kubangwa bushifu. Kwasolakala ke lo mfana lo bulewe lo ngiSolinye. Kanti akusiye Solinye. Kwendeka lokhu nga-1949 amangisa abuya lana bamba abantu boMahlabindaba and others baboshwa bayiswa ejele batekiswa liqala bavunyiswa lelicala ngengani bangoni lutho. Kwathiwa ngibo labasonze lo mfana lo Solinye. 10 years later wabuya Solinye. Lenzaba le yendeka lapha kaMkhweli. 10 years later wabuya Solinye. Nabuya Solinye baqabanga ukuthi sipoko. Athi Solinye hayi mina ngaphuma nje ngahamba ngayofuna umsebenzi ngaletu le kaHlatsi kadzeni ngekwakude nemabhasi. Wahamba ufuna umsebenzi emabhunwini Solinye. Nakabuya after 10 years ukhanza sikwaboshwa abantu bekube nahambe. But that's not the point. The point is kwakuvele kufa umfana kuphela kokuthi bacabanga ukuthi lo mfana ngiSolinye. Ngilandzeni ke mina ngilandze lo mfana lo bekasonziwe. So lelive leli kuyasonvana kulelive kunemasonzane. Ngibani lo lodla laMaswati? Asonvelwani laMaswati eveni lawo? Sisonzane lani Maswati? Uyathi ngalomnye umnyaka ngangafunza lesinye script lana sasibhalwe some Zimbabwean guy and I couldn't believe this. Ngithe ngiyayifuna lencwadi siyagcina ipublishiwe ngangayitholi. The book was titled noma ke the manuscript, it was supposed to go for publishing. The manuscript was titled Pains of a Mountain Teacher. Ngicela nangabe niyayathi lencwadi lena siyagcina ipublishiwe in Maswati noma cha. Noma so that the author was a Zimbabwean guy. I don't remember his name. But when I read that book, I was still at the university, that manuscript, someone had shared it with me to get my opinion of it. But that manuscript was speaking about ritual murder in Swaziland. And he was describing it in very graphic terms. I was so appalled and shocked. And even my feedback to him was, I good in Volenjena, I ended in Volena Lagangwa. Obviously, we then had a long discussion. No, it's a literary piece of work. In literature, you can do everything. It mirrors society, yes, but it's also a literary piece. So, but I can realize now, probably I was too harsh on this writer. He perhaps was correct. When I look back at all these incidents now, I realize, man, bayasonva abantu la kuleli. The country is a crime scene. And And Maswat, we need to find out what is really going on. And we can't let the issue lena Maswati kubede justice. There must be justice on this issue. Botifezile noma ngigezile sengikhohliwe igama lomfana waseHosini. There must be justice for them. There must be justice for our people. Yini leledla laMaswati. Ngiteke Maswati akithi nami impendulo ukuthi kumbe ngathi ngiyati ukuthi yini. Kodwa lokukliye lokuthi kunebuthakathi lobukhona la. Niyawukhumbula ke Maswati ukuthi sengigcina nje in the last 4 minutes ukuthi katheni la eveni kwakunemhlahlo kwakunanaku umhlahlo was a traditional diagnosis ceremony or procedure to flush out wrongdoers in society. The indigenous knowledge systems will teach you ukuthi what was the value of umhlahlo. Of course, bantu labanye bebafika lemhlahlweni ba-accuswe wrongly, bahulwe basale balenga le esihlahleni bangabuye emangweni. But labanye babo beba-accuswa correctly. Wawuvala Sobhuza umhlahlo kaNgwane. And umuntu nasabuka nyalo critically uyatibuta lokuthi wawuvalelani umhlahlo Sobhuza. Because Sobhuza positioned himself as a pan-Africanist and a traditionalist who wanted to maintain indigenous knowledge systems and cultural identities of the people. Why? Wawuvalelani umhlahlo? Abesaba ini? Angisho ke Maswati ukuthi ngithi nama uvulwe. But bo Professor Hebron Ndlovu, they will tell you, they will take you through what umhlahlo is in the context of Swazi traditional religion and how it works and how it has some level of precision, some of the things that are done there. But wavala. Ngifuna ukuthi ngibeke ngesingisi ke lenza bemhlahlo ngithi sidinga umhlahlo a modern day umhlahlo kulenza bebanibani. We really need a deep investigation. Umhlahlo kenyalo sewendiwa modernized investigation. Lo faka khathi forensics, lo faka khathi analysis le deep, lo faka khathi ethnographic interviews, triangulation and all these things. It's the same thing. Ukuthi umhlahlo sesuwenda nyalo through a scientific way. Lebhalwe phasi and lehloniphe human rights nemalungelo esive. So ngigcina ke ngekuthi sidinga umhlahlo la kulenza ikulahleka kwebanibani. Umhlahlo wesilumbi, a deep investigation to find out ukuthi what is going on here. But not just banibana, nekusonva nje kwebantu general. Celebratewa i-World International Albinism Day kulamalanga laphelile. Ngilenye category yebantu leyo lesonvako kulelive. Basonzelwa ukuthi kuthiwa kufuneka lugogo lwabo, kufuneka emafutha abo, kufuneka abantu bafuna kwethwala ngabo, bafuna kuqinisa ngabo in all this nonsense. So we need to have a conversation with ourselves, Maswati, about this matter. And I want to end by imploring all role players to say that let us not allow this matter to die a natural death. Sesifike ke maphetheni elihlelo i-visionary perspectives eSwatini namhla. Ngethemba Maswati ukuthi liviki lesilisombulukako liyawuba lihle kini nonke. Siyasithi ke nasesiphetha sithi the struggle continues, the struggle never sleeps, alutha continua. Ngethemba ukuthi nonke emakhaya niyawuba nebusuku lobuhle. uNkulunkulu uyawuba nani size sibonane evikini lelitako ngawo umsa wakhe. Nisale kahle, iBlack Mamba iyanithanza nonke emakhaya Maswati akithi, siyabonga.